Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Dr. Kamath, then NPOL, I don't know, I'm not able to recognize people. I don't know. Anyway, Vijayan Pillai is there, right? Yeah, we're able to see him. I think AMS, Apollo Microsystems, I'm able to see Karunakar Reddy. And all others who are present, a very good afternoon to all of you. I think you can start, please. Already we are a little late.
A very good afternoon to all. I am Varsha Jain, Company Secretary. On behalf of Apollo Microsystems Limited, extends a very warm welcome to everyone present over here and joined us for the launch of the world's first ultraviolet disinfected baggage conveyor, a solution towards the fight against the coronavirus, the invisible enemy. We take a great privilege to cordially invite our honorable guest for the today's event, Dr. G. Satish Reddy, Secretary, Department of Defense R&D and Chairman, DRDO. A big round of applause for sir. Dr. Samir P. Kamath, Director General, Naval Systems and Materials. Dr. Vijayan S. Pillai, Director, Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory. Dr. N. Kanchana, Director, Directorate of Systems and Technology Analysis. Shri Sanjay Pal, Director, Information Technology and Cyber Security. Shri Samir Abdul Aziz, Scientist F, Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory, and other NPOL scientists, and Dr. G. N. Rao. A big round of applause for I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to the present media, the Board of Directors, Apollo Microsystems Limited, and my dear colleagues.
Sir, I thank you once again on behalf of the entire AMS company and my board of directors. With your permission, we want to purpose this for 5 minutes. Then another activity will be open.
Okay, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Vidhi Patel. Camera. Sir, we are done with the puja and lighting. Sir, is it audible, sir?
It is audible. It is audible.
Yeah, sir.
Other thing is on the screen video is not very clear, but it is okay. But no problem, please go ahead.
Sir, I now request Samir Aziz, scientist of NPOL, to kindly give a presentation on the product, sir. Samir, sir?
Yeah, we will do it. We have a brief presentation on the product per se. This is a product which was initially conceived by NPOL, and we had Apollo partnering with us right from the conception stage. And today, after 2 months, we have the product realization happening. So I have a small 3-slide presentation on what the product is all about. So, sir, this is a product which has been creatively designed to meet the current requirements of COVID-19, and it has used contemporary technology which is available within the country. And Apollo Microsystems has realized a product today, and this product has got assured safety in terms of both disinfecting the virus and also ensuring that there is no problem to the people operating the machine. And today, this machine is found to have multiple markets as done by the various interests that have been shown from various sectors. In brief, the product is basically an automatic disinfector in which baggage or any items carried by people can be disinfected. It is basically a roller-based conveyor system which is automated. There are 3 chambers where in the inner chamber we'll have UV bath, and there are double-layer protective curtains which are also reflective in nature to both capture the UV inside as well as to prevent any leakage. For the complete scanning and sanitization of the baggage, there's a UV bath of calibrated dosage, and the roller movement of the conveyor is automated in such a way that we have uniform exposure all around the surface in 360 degrees, and also the UV intensity is monitored very accurately. Also, to ensure that the machine meets the requirements perfectly and safely, there are multiple interlocks, both from electrical point of view as well as from mechanical point of view. In brief, these are the specifications of this first variant. In fact, Apollo has made 3 variants. This is the first variant. It uses UVC light of 253.7 nanometer, and it can be powered either from a single phase or 3-phase AC supply from a normal 230 volt mains. And the UV chamber is designed with a particular dimension, particularly to meet the requirements of hand baggage. And the overall dimensions of the machine are something like shown here. It's almost 4 meters long, around 1.2 meters in height, and around breadth is around 0.7 meters. This particular machine can take a baggage of 0.5 cubic meters, and the entire system uses a VFD drive which can be accurately controlled, and the roller speed is ensured at 100 centimeters per second. These are the salient features of the product. It ensures 360-degree irradiation and disinfection, and it is done very quickly in a matter of 7.5 seconds. So when somebody pushes in the luggage from one end, by the time he reaches the other end, the baggage is disinfected. Quite easy to handle. It's standalone. It can be kept anywhere. It is a material-friendly disinfection. There are sensors to prevent UV leakage, and there are safety interlocks inbuilt along with the power safety circuits. Also, there is an automated health monitoring of each and every lamp, and we also provided an optional camera view so that one can monitor how the baggage is moving, and if there is any problem like the baggage getting stuck, it can be resolved directly. Sir, currently we have identified many potential applications. We have already had discussions with the Airports Authority of India and many of the local airports within the country. And we also envisage that this product could be used anywhere like railway, metro stations, shopping malls or hotels, any institutional gate of any office. And even we consider this basically for ships and submarines, concealed environment where people enter with baggage. So any area where you have a current UV machine installed, current X-ray machine installed, you can easily have another UV machine installed as well. So this is a very brief introduction about the product. So it started 2 months ago, and today we have got the final product rolling out. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Sir, with your permission, 50 seconds AD is there on the product, sir. We'll just play that as well, sir.
Please go ahead.
Sir, are you able to view it, sir?
Video is not coming. Now it's coming.
We are in a global pandemic, battling an invisible enemy which is making the planet unsafe to live. Apollo Microsystems Limited (AMS) developed world's first ultraviolet baggage disinfection conveyor using DRDO technology. These UVC rays does 360-degree irradiation, which is chemical-free, material-friendly, and dry disinfection. This machine can be installed in government offices, airports, malls, railway stations, bus stops, schools, colleges, and other public places. We stand by you in this fight against invisible enemy. Invisible enemy versus invisible light. AMS, achieving tomorrow by today.
Primarily, we as DRDO, and we have been working with DRDO last 35 years. As a DRDO entity, we are fighting and we develop weapons to fight an enemy who is visible. But this is a weapon that is developed, to fight with an invisible enemy. So the tagline is coming with invisible enemy versus invisible light, because the spectrum of light is invisible light. So that's the idea behind it, sir. Am I audible, sir?
You are audible. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Sir, now may I request you to, honor and do the product launch, sir. The IP address is given. The launch button, if you press,
We know, actually. We'll do it. So, shall I start? Launch the product?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Yes. ಇದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾ.
Sir, now we are demonstrating the product, sir.
Go ahead.
Yeah, any type of baggage, up to 0.5 cubic meter, total volumetric can be put inside it. As Mr. Samir sir has presented you during his presentation, we are coming out with 3 variants. This is a 0.5 cubic meter machine, another is a 1 cubic meter machine, and another is a 2 cubic meter. So 0.5 cubic meter is primarily meant for small baggage, which are hand luggage baggages actually. And 1 cubic meter is a check-in baggage, and 2 cubic meter is cargo. That's basically the idea. Giving a view of either airports or malls or whatever other public places is concerned, based on the different volumetric sizes of the baggage. 3 different flavors of the machine are designed, and this is the one which is now being presented to you for the launch. So as you can see, there is a roller which is basically a gravity roller, and subsequently a chain-based conveyor system is there inside. We have a complete 360-degree coverage is there. If you take as a cube, entire 4 sides of the cube, UV lights are placed, and there are 2 other sides, which are vacant. We have put curtains which are reflective patterns, so that they reflect the light, and the complete entire cube, gets a complete disinfection selection. So the calculations which are done is keeping in view of the reflection losses that happen and the farthest point losses that happen. Based on that, the entire calculation is done for the dosage of the ultraviolet rays. So as you know, sir, primarily, this is something, which can cure the virus, it will disintegrate the DNA and RNA of the microbial organism. But it is actually not very good for health for humans to get exposed. Adequate care has been taken such that there is no leakage of the UV light. At the same time, the baggage loading and the unloading point is whoever is actually handling the baggage. They will have to take adequate care by using appropriate UV glasses and the hand luggage also. And whoever is handling the hand luggage will be having the gloves and other equipment along with them. You can see the through the camera view, we are presenting inside how the baggage is moving inside. The curtains, reflective curtains also can be seen, and the rollers are also fully reflective. Sir, they are all nickel plated. They also equally reflect the ultraviolet. So this is broadly about the machines, sir. Sir, this is broadly about the machine, sir. Now, may I request if you can say some words about it.
Very good afternoon to everyone. Dr. Samir Kamath, the Director General, Naval Sciences and Materials. Mr. G.N. Rao, who is with me here, the Director General, Industry Coordination. And Mrs. Ranjana, who is also with me here. And very important team, the NPOL team, the director, Mr. Vijayan Pillai, and all the scientists who are present there, who have contributed immensely in the development of this UV disinfectant for the luggage in the airports. And Mr. Karunakar Reddy, the MD of Apollo Microsystems and his team, entire team who are present, and all other friends, once again, very good afternoon. This is also a very important occasion in the COVID-related activities and the period of pandemic of COVID, wherein the country has developed many products to fight against the COVID. This is one of the important developments which has been carried out by the DRDO laboratory NPOL in Cochin, which actually they have installed the first one in the Cochin airport itself as soon as they developed it. And the Airports Authority of India has accepted that product and got it installed in Cochin airport. And the first flight, when it landed from outside the country, the baggage has been disinfected using this particular equipment what has been made by NPOL. And I congratulate all the NPOL scientists who have participated and who have contributed to this development of this equipment. I also congratulate NPOL for developing many other products related to COVID. I'm not talking about anything today to connected to the defense. Even in the defense, this is one laboratory which has contributed immensely for the Indian Navy. The products, the technologies which they have developed, we are very confidently able to tell everyone, and everyone accepts that we are self-reliant in those technologies of sonars. And they have, with the knowledge what they have gained there, they have developed many products, and this is one of the products. And I also congratulate Apollo Microsystems, who has been working with the DRDO since long. I think I met Mr. Karunakar Reddy in the year 1987, if I'm right, or 88. That is the first time I met him, and he started working with DRDO. And in fact, he's working more with the naval laboratories, NSTL, NPOL and all that, developing many systems for torpedoes and what are required for the sonar applications and all that. He has been working very hard in the last almost about 35 years and brought up this organization, Apollo Microsystems, to this shape today. Has put his name, and AMS stands tall today in the defense industries of the country. And they have taken up this technology and made this equipment now in a real professional manner. In fact, other day in the discussions with the Airports Authority of India, where the Apollo Microsystems had participated in the discussions, and my scientist, Mrs. Ranjana, who was also there, was telling me that these people were able to clarify everything what they were asking and could make them convinced that this is a fantastic product which actually to be put in all the airports of the country. So I congratulate Apollo Microsystems for taking up such a important job, and I am sure that they will be able to produce this product in numbers for varieties of requirements. Once there is a technology, the products will be many, which can be tweaked for various applications. And I was just discussing with my colleagues here, it's not just supplying here in the country in our various airports. Yes, we should continue, we should pursue, and we should install in the various international airports, particularly in the country. And we will also support you. And I have already spoken to the Secretary Civil Aviation about it. And that's how that meeting also took place at the Airports Authority of India. And I want you to go further ahead. Probably we should actually standardize this equipment to, we will talk to the BIS people here, the Bureau of Indian Standards, and we can actually frame some standards for this. And you should get certified as per the standards here. Then what happens is you will be able to supply this to the entire world. Today, I don't think these products are available anywhere else. So this process, I can put somebody here, my director quality, who is present here in the DRDO headquarters, or somebody to tie up with the Bureau of Indian Standards. And I will also put in a word to that secretary, whoever is there. And quickly, if you can do that and standardize this equipment, then this can be supplied to the entire world. This is another important activity what needs to be looked into it and to be done. And you also see that the safety measures what are required for the people who are handling this and should be very carefully thought about, and all the safety measures have to be brought into the equipment so that there is no single case of anywhere, any person who is dealing with this, who is pushing the luggage, who is picking the luggage and all that is not affected at all. This is one thing. And similarly, the energy what is required to kill the virus in a short span of that luggage passing through that UV light, I think UVC, also should be sufficiently ensured that a small variation in the speed, if it is little faster here and there, also you are able to ensure that the entire virus is disinfected or killed. This is another important aspect what both NPOL and AMS have to see into it and see that. And I also want to tell AMS, DRDO has developed many products. I think the products count is close to about 60 or 65 products which have been made. You can also look into it, and we have made it open to many industries, and there is no TOT fee or anything. And TOT is also made very simple. The lab directors have been empowered to make the TOT without coming to headquarters also. They can give the TOT and you can take it. In fact, a similar product in this, the DIAT Pune has developed a microwave-based disinfectant. So that actually, if for items wherein you want to kill anything is inside also, that sort of a thing also can be disinfected using that equipment. Even those you can look into it and make the products with the quality. The first machine what you made to the last machine what you make also should be with the same quality, and try to improve the products in many ways to the world's expectation, and supply in the country and supply it outside. I once again congratulate you for taking up this job and coming out with this product. And definitely you are from an industry and you should flourish. So try to market the product such a way, and we are there to help our industries who have worked with us, and make the country proud and make the country prosperous by selling it all over the world. So once again, heartiest congratulations to all of you, particularly the NPOL team and AMS team. And I wish that you will be able to come up with many more products. All the best. God bless you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for your encouraging words. We will keep in view of all the points that you have highlighted. A lot of encouragement from DRDO right from the beginning. So we continue to better our services to DRDO. I would also like to submit, sir, a point that we also we're working with CARE, and a month back we already made a prototype ready for Sevak robot, sir, for hospitals. Say. So the Android app is getting ready for CARE. So we just received a couple of days back. Couple of days back we have received the app, and we are integrating that. I think by coming Tuesday that Sevak robot also will be ready for demonstration to customers. Otherwise, we have wired and Bluetooth based one. We already started using this. I'll show you in a couple of minutes that because it's there in the lab. Otherwise, one more such product also we have done along with CARE. I want to submit to you, sir. May I now request Dr. Samir Kamath, sir, to say a few words.
Dr. Satish Reddy, Dr. G.N. Rao, Mr. Vijayan Pillai and his team at NPOL, Mrs. Ranjana, Mr. Karunakar Reddy and his team at AMS, Mr. Panigrahi and my team here in Vizag. Let me also join Dr. Satish Reddy in congratulating both NPOL and AMS for taking this innovative product from concept to the final product in a short time of 2 months. I think this kind of approach should also now come into our defense system, where we are able to translate what we think of the final product in such short time. Another thing which gave me great joy is to see that this is the first product of this type anywhere in the world. I think this also should percolate now into our defense systems. We should also look at making defense systems which are also first of its type anywhere in the world, rather than making what is made elsewhere. I think this is a great beginning made by NPOL and AMS, and I'm sure this partnership which we have built for this product can also be taken forward for products not only for COVID-19 but other defense systems. I wish that, as our chairman said, making the product is the first step, but now I think it is for AMS to market it, to tweak it to different requirements, support the product so that the country benefits from this technology. Although this COVID situation is unfortunate, and benefiting from defeating COVID is not what we planned for, but I think COVID is not what we got ourselves. So we should at least make sure that the world is equipped to fight the COVID which has come. So with these words, I would again take the opportunity in congratulating both the lab and AMS, and all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. Yeah, it's a remarkable, thing we have had. Everything was totally virtual, so the product launch is also virtual actually. All the reviews were done, through video conference, was almost weekly review by Director NPOL and daily review by Samir sir and his team. I now request Dr. Vijay Tilin sir also to speak to us.
Respected Chairman Sir, DG NSNM, Dr. G.N. Rao, DG PCI, Ranjana Madam, and team from headquarters, other team from headquarters, and support team led by Karnar Reddy and our NPOL team. Sir, it gives me immense pleasure that this product has come in within a proper form. And it is made possible only because we have been given a open check, a blank check by our respected chairman and our DG. Do whatever possible. I remember our DG whenever I discuss with him, he says, for calamities, you can do whatever you want. You use all your resources. You should help. So that is the motivation we have been given. So we have no reason to back out from that, because the chairman has declared war against Corona. So that is the one motivation we had. And I was always thinking, and now Corona has come anyway, the virus has come. What people will forget all these things after some time, but it again, what we will do? So the places like submarine where we enter, ships where we enter, we become uncared. So it is a place where a constant population is living. And that was my first thinking when we were discussing with our team. So initially we thought, what is to be done for that? That is why the idea came, something to be done at our gate. We should not allow the Corona to come inside. That is the first motivation. But then we all of us were moving around in the airport and other places. There also, the major potential carrier for the coronavirus may not be the human being. It will be definitely the luggages or the baggages which they carry in years. So that is the reason this product we thought of. And as Chairman and our DG said, and finally with the help of tremendous effort from the Apollo Microsystems, and I am very happy that we have been introduced, Apollo Microsystems was introduced by Dr. Reknamani Madam, and one call asked whether some product can be taken up. So we are very happy that we have taken we have chosen a right partner, development partner for this product. We had almost daily interaction with our team, and luckily, without even making one temporary duty to Hyderabad, sitting here by using only VC, we are able to realize the systems. So as our DG sir said, if this is possible, why not it is possible in other places also? Sir, I'll assure you that we will make it possible in some other place also, in our actual work of our naval product also we will make sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving all the supports from our headquarters side. Ranjana Madam has been daily motivating me, do something and give a publicity and all these things. So we are able to make sure it works out. It worked out also. And further, for Apollo Microsystem to take it to further into the market, whatever help you want, we will be giving. And our team has done, as our chairman was telling, we have done a detailed study. And we also got support from our doctor, our own resident doctor, Surgeon Lieutenant Jalaja Kurup, and also from the COVID hospital here, Ernakulam Medical College. Doctors also helped us, giving us some information, and a lot of information has gone. We have done sufficient calculations. However, we will, when the product is full product, we will evaluate, reevaluate. If any more safety issues are there, it has to be carried out. And I hope headquarters quality group will be helping us. Apollo Microsystem can approach us for any time, any need, we will be helping you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, as I told you, the one more system, because you brought in that point, I just wanted to show that as well, sir, actually. The one which we did along with the Care Bangalore, the education, sir, actually. So this is the Sevat robot. Is it visible in the screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Visible.
Yeah, the idea behind that was lot of inconvenience to various hospital team to give food and other I mean say IT and other things during the entire day. So this is one which is actually developed. I think it's almost ready. By Tuesday, the integration with the Android app will be ready, sir, so that it can be remotely operated.
What is the range where from remote? What is the range for the operation?
We are operating it through Wi-Fi, sir, actually. So it can have a range extender. There is a Wi-Fi, on the Sevat robot, and almost like this Wi-Fi can have actual range is 5 kilometers, sir. But as you know that multipath and other things will be there actually. So typically something like around more than 400, 500 meters it can be run, sir, actually.
Okay.
And it is able to handle a gradient actually.
Is basically within a big hall and hospital sort of a thing where person doesn't go and your food plates or trays or some medicines and all that you have to deliver at a particular bed. This goes and delivers the bed. Actually, ASL Advanced Systems Laboratory in Hyderabad also has worked with another industry. That also they also have made. I think that industry is located in Chennai, if I'm right. So they Mumbai, sorry, it is in Mumbai. So they also have made a similar product, and so good. So this is also another thing required. So DRDO is making a hospital in Delhi. By about 2nd, 3rd of July, it will be ready. So probably a product like this can be put it there to with a 1,000-bedded hospital, as per the directions given by the government of India. We are making them. So this also can be a product there, which we can put it there and utilize there.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, I thank you for taking time from your busy schedule and making this product run successful, sir. I thank Dr.
Thank you. All the best to all of you and do well and come up with many more products. To everyone, DJ NS&M, the NPOL team, the AMS team, everyone, all the best. Do well.
Thank you.
Samir sir, Samir sir.
Yeah, tell me, Sai. Hello.
I want to make a special thank note to Director Sir, you and your team, entire team, for supporting us and monitoring and guiding us on a day-to-day basis. So that has been of great help. We are very sure, we are just in the beginning of this, and we'll have to improvise on the product, come out with more flavors. The 1 cubic meter and the 2 cubic meters will get it ready in a couple of weeks from now. I also request Dr. Vijay Pillai sir, to front end to help us in promoting the product to all the labs in the DRDO, sir.
We'll do that definitely.
He will do.
Congratulations, sir. Both NPL and AMS.
Ratnamani ma'am, would you want to add some words to the show?
I'm just congratulating all of you, sir. I would like for looking at other products coming from out of NPOL and AMS together. In COVID also and non-COVID also.
It's not like marketing, madam.
Okay, sir. We will do because we are very happy that madam is the entire credit should go to madam because she has chosen. She has come to me on the one phone call she made and asked something to be given. Sir, you are able to do, and that with that confidence we came to you, and I think we are very much in right path. And as you said, making a system into this level, and it is very challenging thing. It was done, and due to other lockdown also was another impediment we had. Still, we did it, and we hope that you will be the other variants also will come. You will get good market. We will also help you, and as you said, we will have your systems installed in our place. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Narayan Das here.
Sir, namaste. Sir, namaste.
Well done.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.